Which horror character scares you the most? Jason, Leatherface, Michael, Freddy or Pinhead? 669 of you awesome people voted. Funny enough, the more realistic ones don't scare me much. I think with the human ones like Jason and Bubba I can sympathize with, but Freddy is quite sadistic and is overtly supernatural, so he worries me most. Scariest design has to be Michael because of the emotionless expression on his mask, especially in the Rob Zombie and recent films. As for physical capability, scary has to be Jason. His kills are the most brutal emo and I would never want to face him. Pinhead for sure, he himself isn't scary but what he could do to you is. The scene in Hellraiser 2 when Frank has to live in his own personal hell forever is a terrifying thought. None of them really scare me, some of them are more creepy, or intimidating than others, but frankly, I feel like I am Jason some of the time, so he isn't scary to me at all. I can relate to him so well, and honestly I'd happily die to a bear hug from him. But the most scariest is probably Jason. Just imagine you're fishing on the lake right down the road and then you hear noises from the other side. So you look but you see only a dock, then a hulking deformed man with a hockey mask grabs you and drags you into the lake. Jason is my favorite, but Michael the first think is the scariest because the thought of someone just killing you for no reason scares me. Him not having a motive is just creepy. Leatherface because the thought of him not just killing you, but eating you and stealing your face is horrifying. Also he kills you slowly and painfully usually. Freddy Krueger reminds me of the ex-wife. Pretty scary. Jeeper Creepers, A-okay. But on this list I'll say maybe Jason. But Leatherface was frightening because that can be real and I heard something similar to it. The older movies were pretty scary. For as basic as some may say Jason and Michael are, there's something eerie about Jason that scares me a lot. Michael not so much. Okay, I'd rather get chased by a hockey mask wearing brute, than a flesh wearing chainsaw wielding pig squealing maniac. Thank you to everyone who provided comments for this video. If you want, please check out another video.